Isaiah 55 verse 11 says um, that the word of God is compared to like snow and rain. Um, can you expand on that?
Yes, Jesus, the word says in Isaiah that as the rain comes down and as the snow comes down and does not turn back, so is my word that goeth out of my mouth. It shall not return void unto me. When I started looking into that,
Hmm.
it just about blew my mind. Because if you go out there, Apostle, and you see the rain falling and the snow coming down, and it just turn and go up back into to where it's coming from,
Yeah.
you're going to be puzzled. So is the word of God. It will never return void.
Savior, he can move the mountains.